Hi, so today we're going to learn about how to use order dictionary data structures. This is basically a dictionary with a key value, and it just basically it just put them into order, right? Instead of randomly put them into randomly, we can just access it in order. So it's just convenient for us to put them in order, and also for especially for storing data, something like this, like grocery shopping or something like that. So let's go ahead and implement this very valuable library here, and let's try to implement it on grocery item list so that we can use it. All right, so first thing first, you notice that the name, their item name are the key, and the value is the value. Basically the price is the value. So yeah, okay, so let's go ahead and jump here. First we have to get the collections library, and then after that we have to import the order dictionary. So order, and then capital dictionary. After that we will have to get the amount of items that we're going to collect. So this will be the user input, and we don't really need to use this one, so we'll just say underscore basically underscore dash, and then yeah, we don't need to convert it, so we just input. Okay, after that we're going to have to initialize data, and this will be from the inputs. I mean, yeah, it's going to be from the dictionary, and this is how we initialize it. And so after that we're going to need, yes, oops, so I make, okay, so since this is going to be input, we can just say we can initialize it up here like this, and then we can use it down here, right? So nothing's harm is going to happen. So let's say, and in range and input, yeah. So this will be input input int. So that will be a number, right? We just convert it into integer, and that would be, yeah, something like this, so that we can use it for the number of items, right? User inputs. All right, after that we can obtain the name of items and the price. So in this case we can say data, and then input. So we will have to split it, and after splitting it we will have item name, and that will be data. We will have to join it with space again, because the default split is space, and then join will be space, and data we will start it from the back, from the front till this right here. So that will be two item, two data, two elements. So that will be colon -1. Okay, that will do it. We're gonna go from the front till right here. That's what it's saying. So the back will be the last number, so that will be -1, and that will be the price. So item, we can just say price. Okay, and we don't have to join because it's just one item. So that will be, we'll have to convert into integers first, data, and then -1. And that will be integer price, integer number. And now we can store them to the data. Okay, before we store, we have to compare this first. So in this case, the output want the price to be, they want the total price for each items, right? So if item name not in data, and then it's going to compare against the data. So the name will be the key. So that's what we want. Data item name, and it will be the price that we are entering right here. Okay. After that, else if it's contained already, we can just add the price, and it will turn into the total price. Right, that's beautiful. Let's copy. No, we don't need to copy. So we're going to print their item name and the price, just like this. Okay, so here we have item in range. No, not range, data. And from data, we can get the item will be the key. So in this case, we will print the key or item first. And after that, we will print data, and item will be the key. And this will be our answer. So name, item name, and the price. Let's run this, and it worked. So there you go. Expected output, this is what it is. And our output is like this. So they're the same, and we pass. Okay, so for all the cases, and it passed. So that's it for collections order dictionary.